Now, there is more confusion surrounding the Jamaica Table Tennis Association. This as clubs and affiliates must choose which special general meeting to attend. More in this report. On December 22, 2020, a request signed by 15 affiliates was sent to General Secretary Anne-Marie Burton-Clue, requesting that a special general meeting be called to put forward a vote of no confidence against President Godfrey Lothian. The SGM would also be used to formalize the list of affiliates that has been at the heart of a standoff since 2019. But in an interesting twist, TVJ Sports has obtained a copy of a new letter, this time from Secretary Francina Price, sent to affiliates for another SGM set for January 16, the same date as a previous request. However, this SGM has been called to put forward a vote of confidence behind Lothian. Both SGMs have among their agenda items plans to set a date for the next annual general meeting. But how can one association be operating with two different secretaries? While the answer is not clear-cut, presidential challenger Andrew Liu, along with a group of affiliates, are contending that Mrs. Clue, based on the Supreme Court ruling of September 2019, is the rightful general secretary for the JTTA, as she had held the position before the court ruled the annual general meeting of 2019 null and void. However, since then, Lothian has registered Jata Sports with the Company's Office of Jamaica, with Price as secretary. It is unclear if both SGMs will go ahead on January 16. Meanwhile, attorney at law Dr. Raman Midas, who has signaled his intention to run or become a third challenger in the race for the JTTA presidency, has written to Francina Price asking her to retract the letter of notice of the SGM. In a letter sent to TVJ Sports, Midas wrote, quote, "My office has noted with interest the terms of you agreeing to call an SGM at Caribbean Palms on Saturday, January 16. This is not a coincidence that your scheduled meeting is being slated at the same date and the same time as the one slated by the legitimate General Secretary," end quote. The letter ended by saying, quote, "Madam, I strongly urge you to act with some alacrity to publicly remedy this ill-advised action, as your actions are in total contravention of the basic tenets of the Social Development Commission, the SDC," end quote. Next month will mark 2 years since affiliates voted for Lothian to serve a fourth term, one which should have lasted 4 years.